me, what happened to the frame? The body?
That might be a few months.
Months?
That thing is a wreck. And you cannot sandblast it because that whole thing is Bondo. It's like this thick of Bondo on it.
All right, Leo, we're gonna get an update real quick. Hey, Mark. So, Paul, I want to give you an update. This has been a labor of love. What? I'll put my foot down here. So today's January, what, 8th, 9th? Today's Thursday. So January 8th. Paul, we're gonna have this, I'm gonna put my foot down and say we're gonna deliver this for February. All right, we're wrapping this up now. Paint's back. Emblems are going on. Mark's just starting to wrap this up. We think we're fully ready to go. I got 4 more parts, minor parts for the clutch I got to get, but we got everything laid out, and we're gonna wrap this up for you. But if you take a look, paint came out great. Got your white walls. Leo, if you want to come around and see that. But you know, paint, wheels, white walls, emblems. Thing came out sharp. Body work, it's like brand new. So we're moving forward with this. Mark's just starting to lay everything out. But that's where we're at. So we didn't forget about your bud. And we're looking forward to finally getting this done. It's been a long process, but one that will not end up being fruitful. Right, Leo? Mark, you got a pretty wild setup here.
Yeah, I know.
I did get all those things on order yesterday too.
Okay. Look at him, man.
What up, Leo?
What you filming now, Mike?
Nothing. Actually, how you doing?
Not bad.
How's this coming, Mark?
Good.
Leo, I might as well give an update on this. So this is day 3, Paul. Making some good progress on it. As you can see, Mark got the front end all assembled, which took, you know, it was a project in and of itself. And then obviously installed with the front wheel, rear wheel installed. So basically we made it rolling today. Progress is going on. We ran all the cables, which was another pain in the neck. But basically, I think we're making good on our timeline in respect to this being the final countdown. It's the final. No, I'm kidding. It looks good though. Things coming out sharp. But I wanted to give you an update. I'm gonna be able to stick by that time frame, like I said. So we'll be good to go, I think.